Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices so pairing is fast and reliable. Make sure the watch is charged and powered on, then enable Bluetooth on your phone and open the Fitpro app. Once done, grant the app location, Bluetooth, and notification permissions. These allow the app to discover and communicate with the watch. Now navigate to the app's device or pairing screen and choose Add Device, so the watch becomes discoverable. This step sets the foundation for a stable connection. You now continue by selecting the correct Fitpro device from the app scan list. Make sure the model and MAC or serial match what's shown on the watch. After selecting it, confirm any pairing code displayed on both the phone and watch to verify a secure link. Then allow the app to sync health data, contacts, and notification access so features like call alerts and step tracking work. If prompted, enable background activity so the app can stay connected consistently. You finish by checking for firmware updates in the app and applying them. Updates often fix connectivity bugs. Then customize watch faces and notification preferences to your liking. Once done, test incoming calls, message alerts, heart rate readings, and step sync to ensure data flows properly. If something goes wrong, try the key troubleshooting step. Reboot both phone and watch, toggle Bluetooth off and on, clear the Fitpro app cache, and repeat pairing. This sequence resolves most common pairing issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.